Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope everyone's doing great and I'm also doing well. Today, I would like to share my thoughts as well as I'm trying to keep practicing a little bit speaking English. So, let's start. First of all, thank you for giving me your important time. It's a high time to never give up for my dream because I have a lots of dream in my future. I think if I have to continue struggle hard, then I will be achieve for my dream as soon as possible. I'm looking forward. In my village, there has been lots of problem. To be honest, I will be become a rich man in my society because I think it was really bad if you don't work hard for your life. I think no need to help for you because in this society most of the peoples are very terrible. If you don't believe me for yourself, I think you should be work continue for your life. After that, you will be helping for your family as well as yourself. To be honest, in the most of the people say, what do you do for living, for your life? I think you must be say, I'm working as a everything. Then you will be help for yourself. Otherwise, it was very bad for your life. Actually, I try to learning new thing day by day. I think it will be better for my life. I think I should be never give up for my dream as well as for my life journey. I think you need to continue work hard for your life because no one save for you and don't waste your time. You must be try new thing day by day and you need to making conversations for another country's peoples because I think your own peoples are really bad if you don't believe me for yourself. That's why you need to talking with another country's people, then you will be good for your life. Even if you share your thoughts in front of anyone, I think it was really bad. But if you share your thoughts with the another country's people, I think he suggests for good life for you. So you need to continue struggle for your life. So that's all fitty about me. Thank you everyone for your patience and hurry. See you next video. Have a nice day.